Captain Fox Tricks Billy Goat. Once upon a time, in a quiet forest filled with rustling trees and fluttering butterflies, there lived Captain Fox and Billy Goat. One day, "Let's go for a walk," said Captain Fox, coming out of a bush, and he looked at his newfound friend, Billy Goat, who was scratching his beard. Where shall we go?" asked Billy Goat. "Well, just roam in the jungle as we have nothing else to do," suggested Captain Fox. Then Captain Fox and Billy Goat began to walk leisurely. The latter was admiring the beauty of the trees, flowers, and butterflies. "What are you thinking of?" asked Captain Fox. "You see, we're wonderful animals in a wonderful world. We are lucky to be alive without doing anything," said Billy Goat. "This silly fellow can't see beyond his nose," thought Captain Fox. "I'm smarter than Captain Fox," thought Billy Goat. After some time, both Billy Goat and Captain Fox felt thirsty, but there was no river or stream flowing by. "There's an abandoned well close by. Shall we go there?" asked Billy Goat. "Fine idea! Let's go there. Be quick," said Captain Fox. In a matter of minutes, Billy Goat and Captain Fox were peeping into the abandoned well. "Let's jump into the well and drink some water," said Billy Goat. "Good! You're a fine fellow," said Captain Fox, jumping into the well. Down they went and drank water as much as they could. "Now we must get out of this well," said Captain Fox. "Put your forelegs up and lean against the well. Then I'll climb on your back and get out of the well. From the top, I'll give you a helping hand." "By my beard, I'll follow your instructions," said Billy Goat, who was highly excited. As agreed, Billy Goat put his forelegs up, and Captain Fox jumped out of the well. Then he looked down at silly Billy Goat and said, "If you had brains in your head rather than hairs on your chin, you could have come out of the well before me." Moral: be careful who you trust. Not everyone who helps you is really on your side. Sometimes people use their cleverness to take advantage of your kindness. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.